Welcome to my videos. So guys, many people like credit card rewards, right? But are they just rewards, or sometimes they even cost you money? So that's what we are going to discuss in this video, how credit card rewards are secretly costing you money. Not to everyone. Those who use smartly, they are doing pretty good. So guys, when you go for credit card benefits or rewards, what you really get? Cashbacks, right? Travel credits, free flights. This sounds amazing, right? But it might be costing you more than you realize. How? Let's go ahead. So guys, credit cards are profitable for banks because people overspend. When you chase points, you may buy things you don't actually need. If you carry balance even once, interest rate of 20% plus cancel all reward instantly. Annual fees also reduce real profit. Yes. For example, if you earn $300 cash back but pay $120 annual fee on your card and $200 interest, you actually lost $20. But yes, if you did not pay $200 interest, then you made $180 of cash back. But the question comes, in order to get this cash back, did you spend on any items that you really did not have to, or you did not need to, just to get this? So that's a question, guys, we all should ask ourselves, because in case we are buying things that we don't need because of easy availability. So remember, if you're going for cashback and if a card is offering you 2% cashback, and if you spend, that means if you spend $1 to get that, you are getting 2 cents back, but 98 cents are actually going away from your pocket. So you are spending unnecessarily. I'm not saying rewards are bad. Rewards are good, but you need to use carefully and you need to use them responsibly. For example, if you are going to a gas station, I will use a gas credit card that gives me 3 cents discount instantly. So I'm not buying additional, and whatever I'm buying, I'm getting a discount. Anything else, I'm using a different card where I'm getting more reward, but I'm making sure that I'm buying only thing what I need. So the very basic point for using credit card, if you follow that point, you are never gonna feel lost, is use your credit card like your debit card. Buy only what you need and what you can pay off. If you do this principle, all these rewards are going to help you, and this will maintain your credit history too. So that's why discipline is very important. Remember guys, points are not free money. You have to control spending, because if you have not spent $10 on something, although you might not have got 20 cents reward, but $10 you saved. That's what I wanted to say, guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.